1. Did you know that snails can hibernate for up to 3 years if the conditions aren't right? That's a long nap. Today, we take a deep dive into the world of animals, presenting you with the top 100 most bizarre animal facts. 2. Elephants may be the biggest land animals, but they can't jump. Their weight makes it impossible. 3. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Pretty fitting for such colorful birds, right? 4. Ever wonder how butterflies eat? They actually taste their food with their feet. 5. Octopuses are truly unique. They have 3 hearts to pump blood to their gills and 1 to their organs. 6. Sharks are one of the few fish that can blink with both eyes, keeping them sharp and aware underwater. 7. Kangaroos can't hop backward. Their tails and muscular legs only allow forward motion. 8. Dolphins are so smart they even give each other names, using unique whistles to call their friends. 9. Koalas' fingerprints are nearly identical to ours. In fact, they've even confused crime scene investigations. 10. Owls are wise in groups too. A group of them is called a parliament, quite fitting. 11. Cows have best friends, and when they're separated, they actually get stressed. Friendship is universal. 12. Oysters can change gender throughout their lives. Talk about flexibility. 13. In the seahorse world, it's the males who carry the babies. They're among the few animals to do this. 14. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found jars from ancient Egypt, still perfectly edible. 15. Some worms can grow a new head if they lose theirs. That's one way to bounce back. 16. A blue whale's heart is the size of a small car and weighs round 400 pounds. Imagine that beat underwater. 17. Reindeer eyes change color with the seasons from gold in summer to blue in winter, an adaptation for Arctic light. 18. Crows have impressive memories. They can remember human faces and even hold grudges if wronged. 19. A rhino's horn may look like solid bone, but it's actually made of compressed hair, like a giant fingernail. 20. Ants produce formic acid, giving them a distinct, vinegary smell. You might recognize it if you're close enough. 21. Bats are nature's pest control, eating up to 1,000 insects in an hour. They're the original exterminators. 22. Otters hold hands while they sleep to avoid drifting apart. That's one cute survival strategy. 23. Tigers aren't just striped on their fur, their skin has stripes too, unique to each tiger like fingerprints. 24. Horses can sleep standing up. Their leg muscles lock to keep them balanced even while resting. 25. Crocodiles can't stick their tongues out because it's attached to the roof of their mouth. 26. A group of hedgehogs is called a prickle. A prickle of prickly hedgehogs, how cute is that? 27. Rats laugh when tickled. Scientists have observed them making high-pitched giggles during play. 28. Dogs can recognize human emotions by reading facial expressions. No wonder they're such great companions. 29. Sea turtles are among the oldest creatures, with some species living over 100 years. 30. A newborn kangaroo, or joey, is the size of a jelly bean when born. It grows in its mother's pouch. 31. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. Strange, but true. 32. Penguins propose with pebbles. They present them to their mates as a sign of commitment. 33. Gorillas can catch human colds and other illnesses. We share more with them than just genes. 34. Sloths only go to the bathroom once a week. They hold it until they make the slow journey to the ground. 35. Certain frogs can freeze solid in winter and thaw back to life in spring. They have natural antifreeze. 36. Sea otters have a small pouch in their armpits to stash food, like little underwater snack cabinets. 37. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward, an amazing feat thanks to their unique wing structure. 38. Some lizards can drop their tails to escape predators. They grow back, but it takes time. 39. A group of crows is called a murder. It's a dark name for such clever birds. 40. Chimpanzees' fingerprints are so similar to humans that they could be mistaken at crime scenes. 41. Starfish can regenerate lost arms. Some species can even regrow an entire body from just one arm. 42. Elephants have a mourning ritual when a family member dies, showing deep respect for the deceased. 43. Zebras have unique stripe patterns, much like fingerprints. No two zebras look exactly alike. 44. Fish can cough to clear debris from their gills. A bit of underwater maintenance. 45. Pigeons can recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness shared with only a few animals. 46. Camels can close their nostrils during sandstorms to keep sand out, perfect for desert survival. 47. Underneath their white fur, polar bears have black skin, helping them absorb heat in the Arctic cold. 48. Goats have rectangular pupils that provide a wide field of vision, great for spotting danger. 49. Only male peafowls are peacocks. The females are called peons, and they're less colorful. 50. Flamingos get their pink color from the shrimp and algae they eat. It's a diet-dependent glow. 51. A snail's mouth is full of tiny teeth, sometimes thousands. It's how they scrape and grind their food. 52. Cats have over 20 muscles in each ear, allowing for pinpointed movements towards sounds. 53. The heart of a blue whale beats just 5 or 6 times per minute, even at full size. 54. Dolphins sleep with one eye open to stay alert for danger in the ocean. 55. Parrots can live for over 80 years, becoming lifelong companions for dedicated owners. 56. Bees communicate by dancing in patterns to direct others to food sources. 57. Giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans, 7, but theirs are much larger. 58. Clownfish can switch genders to accommodate their social structure in their anemone homes. 59. A group of jellyfish is called a smack, quite appropriate for those stingers. 60. Cats can produce over 100 different sounds, making them quite vocal and expressive pets. 61. Some species of ants form living bridges with their bodies to help others cross gaps. 62. Frogs use their eyes to help them swallow, pushing food down with a blink. 63. Octopuses have been seen using tools like coconut shells as makeshift shelters. 64. Pigs are known to be smarter than dogs, with advanced memory and problem-solving abilities. 65. The Greenland shark can live over 500 years, making it one of the longest-living vertebrates. 66. Lobsters have teeth in their stomachs. They use them to grind up food for digestion. 67. Female lions are the primary hunters of the pride, bringing back food for their families. 68. Ravens can mimic human speech. In the wild, they're known to imitate other animal sounds too. 69. Barn owls can hunt entirely by sound, even locating prey in complete darkness. 70. Seahorses are monogamous and mate for life, forming strong pair bonds. 71. Fireflies produce light without generating heat, thanks to a unique chemical reaction. 72. Ant colonies are ruled by a queen, but she doesn't give orders. Ants work together instinctively. 73. Tarantulas can go without food for up to 2 years. They're surprisingly resilient. 74. Raccoons remember how to solve tasks for up to 3 years. They're surprisingly clever. 75. A fox's tail helps keep it balanced and warm in the cold, like a natural scarf. 76. Kangaroos don't sweat, so they lick their arms to cool off in hot weather. 77. Elephants communicate through seismic signals, using ground vibrations to talk to one another. 78. Wolves have vast territories, often covering hundreds of miles, to find food and shelter. 79. Rabbits are born without fur and with their eyes closed, completely dependent on their mothers. 80. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight, with unique wing structures for maneuvering. 81. Honeybees recognize human faces, a useful skill for distinguishing friend from foe. 82. Cats can rotate their ears 180 degrees to pinpoint the source of a sound. 83. Pigeons have a unique ability to see ultraviolet light, giving them an extra visual dimension. 84. Giraffes only need to drink water once every few days, getting most of it from their leafy diet. 85. Alligators can live up to 50 years in the wild, if not disturbed by humans. 86. Seahorses use their tails to anchor themselves to objects, preventing them from drifting away. 87. Dogs have a sense of time and may miss their owners when they're away. 88. Penguins can dive as deep as 500 meters when hunting, reaching impressive underwater depths. 89. Certain ants form rafts with their bodies to survive floods, staying afloat together. 90. Sharks have special sensory organs that detect electric fields, helping them locate prey. 91. A porcupine has around 30,000 quills, which it uses as a natural defense mechanism. 92. Dolphins can recognize themselves in mirrors, showing a high level of self-awareness. 93. Snakes sense vibrations through their jawbones, an adaptation for detecting nearby movement. 94. Koalas sleep for up to 20 hours a day to conserve energy for digesting tough eucalyptus leaves. 95. Cuttlefish can change colors and textures to blend into their surroundings almost instantly. 96. Scorpions glow under ultraviolet light, a trait still being studied by scientists. 97. Ladybugs can eat up to 5,000 insects in their lifetime, keeping pests in check naturally. 98. Meerkats take turns keeping watch for predators, ensuring their safety as a group. 99. Eagles can spot prey from up to 3 kilometers away, a truly remarkable feat of vision. 100. Sea cucumbers expel their organs to escape predators and can regrow them afterward.